the Flexi disc when I was in the fan club. Finality over Christmas. So I have the original, and anybody who's got the business box set, visit to Dracstein Castle, which is this side. On the Virgin box set, the business, you've got 1 minute 55 seconds of it. It's actually about 7.5 minutes long, so you've lost a huge amount on CD from the original vinyl. When I got it as a kid, the postman pushed it through the letterbox and it actually creased here. There's quite a bump in it. I've gone in and I've removed, over this 2-minute section, well over 170 bumps, almost down to, it's about 10 samples, which is a 4,000th of a second, and I've gone and removed nearly about 99% of these, so it's really clean now. And I had to do it manually because I tried about 5 different quite serious programs for removing clicks and bumps, but it was too big, so I had to go in and hand remove them manually. It started off about 4 seconds to go round and hit the bump again, and then by the time I got to about there, it was about every 2 seconds you had to go in and take a bump out of it, but I've got rid of nearly all of them.
Hi, an invite to Christmas at Count Dracstein's somewhere in Germany.
Eric, in a bucket.
Hold up! Showing the legend here. Count Dracstein's castle for it.
This is far as I can go. See the time here, asleep on the bench. Yes.
Oh, what a stink.
The castle is just beyond me. There are some things about the castle. Yes. Just some people dare not mention.
Lord, war!
I dare not mention.
Ding dong! Hello, we're from the Mega Band Madness.
Oh, I see. You must have the wrong wing. Try further up, yes?
Ding dong! Yeah, you must be the Madness.
No, we're exhausted.
Well, boys, come take their luggage to their room and kill them.
Oh, sit down. Oh, this
Hey! It's your feet now. Take off the heavy boots. Off with the shirt. I'd rather not.
Get him off, you little rat!
Off with the boots. Off
Off with the boots! Get him
What is the meaning of this advice? Who are these people? What are you doing in my house? I want you to leave this Eden. Where did all these people come from? I don't wish to see anyone anymore. Come on, immediately or I shall call the guard. That's all the meaning of this. Where did all these people come from? Come on, bloody hat to immediately or I call the guard.
Now I take it is the late Baron von Robinstein.
Say that again.
Baron von Robinstein
You
was
didn't say that again.
Baron Robinstein.
Right, you say that again.
Baron von Robinstein was the heir of all this, but alas, he went dead. Attention, Madam Bergstein.
Bother! Bring me lemon tea! Have you not offered our guests a drink?
No,
Then do so!
yes, madame.
As you no doubt have already been told, I am Mother Varkas Vane, but for short you may call me Vul, if you desire, if you so desire.
Hiya, VV babe. My name is Billy Beds. You call me out? Pull your wig off.
Oh.
Hi,
I'm Suggs.
Oh.
Hello, Suggs. Hello, I'm Chris, and if you can reach an high F, you can treat me nice.
Hi, I'm Chris. You don't mess up having me. Spin on that.
Oh, yes. What a lovely young girl.
Hello, my name's Skixie. I try to be like Chris. If you don't want intelligent conversation, come knock on my 4-poster immediately.
How come you're not the intelligent one?
Because I wrote this.
Hi, I'm Wood. I make the full house bed. Woody Woodpecker, if you like.
Hi. I'm crazy, can't. Yeah, alright? Oh. Haven't you got any Bob Hope here?
Oh, Bob Marley. Exes will go down between.
It's dinner.
Madam, your lemon tea and hot toddies are up for the girls.
Think and be merry!
Guzzle, guzzle, guzzle.
I've come over all giddy. What odd tasting toddy.
Etc.
Weird.
Where on earth are we? Lee?
I do, I think. It looks to me like the basement of the old stiff records. I just saw a rat.
Rubbies?
It could have been. It could have well been.
Let's
Get back behind that door. Hold on.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Right, welcome right, you can start.
Oh yeah, I thought from the same line. Oh yeah.
What activity on that one?
Yeah, let's get back to it.
Are you holding? Got any?
How many folks in this to take the same flight? How many, Chris?
Two.
One to do, one to do.
What actually did this place used to be?
Talks chamber.
Yeah.
Who's playing the party?
Where's the grub then?
Where is the record deck?
And sounds more to the point.
Who, may I ask, actually owns this place? We were under the impression it was Count Dracstein.
And the girls.
No, he died.